I mean, we all suffer, those of us who work on building projects, from you have a 28-month project, it's going to be on site 28 months, and at the end there's a 1 month or a 6-week or whatever commissioning period. Yeah. The contractor thinks, oh good, we've got a 6-week float at the end, which we can fill up by overrunning on everything else. And so you get nearer and nearer and nearer to the end, and you're saying, well, we've got this 6-week commissioning period, and we've got this commissioning plan, and you're going to, people are doing fans, and people are doing lighting controls. And the contractor says, well, we're 4 weeks over. We're running, so 2 weeks. You've got 2 weeks to do 6 weeks worth of commissioning, etc., etc. So it covers that a bit. It covers this, trying to make you realise that the first time a contractor says your commissioning period is going to be squeezed, you say, no, it is a 6-week commissioning period, and hopefully your colleagues, mechanical and others, will be saying exactly the same. Or you say to the client, your building's not going to be commissioned properly. It's not going to be signed off properly. What do you, client, want to do about that? Because it is important. You've got to verify that things work. And if they don't, the building doesn't work. What's the point in spending 28 months or whatever it is, building this fantastic new building, if at the end of it things flicker, or the air conditioning dumps cold air on everyone, or it's unbalanced and all those things, and then you have contractors coming back, standing on desks fiddling with lights for the next 6 months, trying to retro commission a building that's already functioning. So yeah, performance verification, slightly different area, and that is where you or the client or others are going back into a building after it's open, it's up and running, it's had a bit of an adjustment period, and you're going back and saying, right, we've done this office building, we've designed it to 300 lux, we've got a control system, we want to come back, check the control system works, it's understood by everyone, people are using it, get a bit of feedback for your next design, check that we really are getting 300 lux-ish, and if not, why not? Because certainly CIBSE, big CIBSE, there is a big problem on big modern buildings not achieving design levels. Not so much on lighting, more on general energy performance. Big overruns on energy in a lot of modern buildings. Big fuss about it. So again, it's a part of commissioning and setting up, but also going back and checking. Because if you don't check your fantastically designed lighting control system, it's all very careful, and it's going to save 17% of the energy of the next building, and you find it isn't. You need to understand why. Part of that, of course, is continuing maintenance, and we do cover that in brief, which is mainly so that you can chat to your client and say, right, we delivered this beautiful building, you need to maintain it, you need to look after it, you need to change lights if they fail, the LEDs are, they'll gently fade over the next decade. You will need to change them.